Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello my lovely student. Good morning. How are you? I'm really happy to see you again on this day. Cause today will be your good day. Okay, today we're going to learn about asking and giving opinion. Who knows the meaning of asking and giving opinion here? What does it mean? Well, asking and giving opinion means menanyakan dan memberikan pendapat. So today we are going to learn about that. So keep on learning and keep on listening to me. Okay, look at to this picture. There is a beautiful picture here. And then the question is, what is your opinion about this place? The answer is, in my opinion, the view of this place is really amazing. Ada pertanyaan nih dari gambar ini. As you can see that the picture is really beautiful. Kamu lihat kan, picture ini tuh bagus banget dari gambar ini tentang pantai. Ada sebuah pertanyaan, question. Asking for opinion. What is your opinion about this place? When you listen this statement, you have to remember that this statement is about asking about opinion. Kalau kamu dengar pendapat kayak, what is your opinion about this place? What is your opinion about that man? What is your opinion about that book? Kalau kamu dapat pendapat tentang what is your opinion, berarti itu menanyakan tentang pendapat. Pendapat kamu tentang tempat ini gimana sih? Pendapat kamu tentang cowok itu gimana sih? Pendapat kamu tentang buku itu gimana sih? So, jadi gimana Miss kalau mau jawabnya? Oke, the answer. In my opinion, the view of this place is really amazing. Menurut pendapatku, pemandangan dari tempat ini tuh sangat amazing, keren, menakjubkan. When you want to responding about the opinion, you can say in my opinion. Kalau kamu mau merespon tentang pendapat atau memberikan pendapat, kamu bisa bilang in my opinion, menurut pendapatku seperti ini. Kamu jelasin deh di situ. Okay, asking and giving opinion. You have to remember, asking means menanyakan. Opinion means pendapat. Giving means menjawab atau memberikan. Jadi kamu harus ingat tuh yang namanya asking, oh menanyakan, giving, menjawab atau memberikan, opinion, pendapat atau opini kamu. So we have to use asking and giving opinion when we want to ask other about their opinion about something. Kita biasanya menanyakan dan memberikan pendapat ketika kita mau menanyakan seseorang tentang pendapat seseorang. What do you think about my house? Menurut kamu rumahku tuh kayak gimana sih? Nah, kamu bisa jawab, I think your house is really clean. Menurut pendapatku, rumah kamu itu sangat bersih. Here, the statement of asking for opinion. Di sini ada beberapa statement dari asking for opinion. Pernyataan-pernyataan atau ekspresi-ekspresi untuk menanyakan pendapat atau opini. Okay, repeat after Miss. What is your opinion? What do you think about? What do you suggest? What is your point of view? Do you have any idea? How about? How do you feel? How do you think? Please give me your opinion. How about this? Do you like that? What is your idea? How is your opinion? Oke, kita bahas the first sentence. What is your opinion? Artinya, menurut pendapatmu apa sih? What is your opinion? Gimana pendapat kamu? What do you think about? Artinya juga sama, menanyakan tentang pendapat menurut kamu ini bagaimana. What do you suggest? Menurut saranmu bagaimana? What is your point of view? Menurut pendapatmu bagaimana? Jadi dari do you have any idea sampai the last how is your opinion itu isinya menanyakan tentang pendapat, cuma dalam jenis yang bermacam-macam. Okay, these are the statement of giving opinion. You have to remember that giving opinion means memberikan pendapat. Kamu harus ingat yang namanya giving opinion berarti kamu memberikan pendapat atau orang lain memberikan pendapat. These are some of the statement of giving opinion. Like in my opinion, I think, in my view, my comment, I think I like that. But before we are going to talk about this statement, you have to listen, pay attention, and repeat after Miss Irani. In my opinion, I think, in my view, my comment is, I think I like that. From my point of view, in my experience, I feel that. These statements below are about agreeing with an opinion. Jadi statement di bawah ini pernyataan tentang setuju dengan pendapat orang lain. Okay, listen and repeat after Miss Irani. Maksudnya kamu dengar dan ulangi ketika Miss membacakan suatu statement, kamu mengulanginya. Okay, let's start. Of course. That's true. I agree with you. You are absolutely right. Exactly. That's just what I was thinking. I couldn't agree more. I agree with what you are saying. I agree. I never thought of that. That's a good point. I think so too. From this statement of agreeing with an opinion, you can use when you agree with someone's opinion. Dari kalimat atau statement yang tadi Miss udah bacain itu digunakan ketika kamu setuju dengan pendapat orang lain. Misalnya, for example, when your friends say that lady is really cute. Misalnya teman kamu bilang, ih, wanita itu sangat imut. And then you can answer, of course, I agree with you. Pastinya, aku setuju sama kamu. Nah, from this statement, from of course, that's true, I'm agree with you, you are absolutely right, artinya sama-sama mengungkapkan rasa setuju kamu tentang pendapat orang lain. Disagreeing with an opinion, tidak setuju dengan pendapat. These are the statements about disagreeing with an opinion. You have to listen, then repeat after Miss Irani. I'm sorry, I don't agree with you. That's not entirely true. I totally disagree with you. I'm not sure I agree with you. I don't agree with you. I'm afraid I have to disagree with you. I don't believe that. I think you are wrong. That's not the same thing at all. I'm not so sure about that. Nah, kalimat yang tadi Miss sudah bacain itu masuk ke dalam disagreeing with an opinion, ketika kamu tidak setuju dengan pendapat orang lain. Misalnya, kamu melihat mobil bagus banget, terus menurut teman kamu, that car is really perfect. Ih, mobilnya sempurna banget. Terus kamu gak setuju dengan pendapat dia. You can say, I'm sorry, I don't agree with you. The car is not good for me. Maaf ya, aku tuh gak setuju sama kamu. Mobilnya gak bagus menurutku. Okay, this is the example of asking and giving opinion. You have to pay attention of the underlined sentences. And then this conversation between Nabi and I, they're talking about Aladdin movie. Let's discuss this conversation. Hey Al, have you watched the Aladdin movie? Hey Ai, kamu udah nonton film Aladdin? Of course I have. Iya, aku udah. What is your point of view? Menurut pendapat kamu filmnya bagaimana? That's great. I think that's the actor have unbelievable acting skill. Filmnya bagus. Menurut pendapatku, para pemainnya itu memiliki skill berakting yang luar biasa. I agree with you. You are absolutely right. Aku setuju sama kamu. Kamu benar-benar pendapat kamu tuh benar. Nah, kalau kamu perhatikan, ada sentence, what is your point of view? This sentence is talking about asking the opinion. What is your point of view? Dari kalimat ini tuh kalimat menanyakan pendapat. That's great. I think that the actor have unbelievable acting skill. Bagus. Aku pikir kayaknya para pemain memiliki skill berakting yang bagus. Ini masuknya ke giving opinion, memberikan pendapat. I agree with you. You are absolutely right. Aku setuju sama kamu. Emang yang kamu katakan semuanya benar. Di situ masuknya agreeing with opinion. Kita setuju dengan pendapat yang orang lain berikan. Agreeing. Okay, this is the second example about asking and giving opinion. Pay the attention of the underlined sentences. This conversation between Vidi and Rian, they are talking about smoking. Ini adalah contoh kedua dari asking and giving opinion, menanyakan dan memberikan pendapat. Percakapan antara Vidi dan Rian tentang merokok? Vidi. Hi Rian, by the way, I just don't understand why you guys like smoking. How is your opinion about smoking? Hai Rian, ngomong-ngomong, aku tidak paham kenapa kamu suka merokok. Apa pendapatmu tentang merokok? Rian, well, in my view, smoking is good. Baik, menurut pendapatku, merokok itu baik. Vidi, good? I don't agree with you. There's nothing good about smoking. It's dangerous for your health. Baik, aku tidak setuju sama kamu. Gak ada baiknya ketika merokok. Merokok itu membahayakan untuk kesehatan kamu. Rian, I've heard many times, but I don't believe it. Ya, saya sudah mendengarnya berpuluh kali, tapi saya tidak percaya. Vidi, maybe you'll believe it when you get your lung cancer. Mungkin kamu percaya ketika kamu mendapat kanker paru-paru. Okay, pay attention of the underlined sentence. Sekarang kamu pusatkan perhatian kamu kepada sentence atau pernyataan yang digaris bawahi. How is your opinion about smoking? From this sentence is talking about asking the opinion. Dari kalimat how is your opinion about smoking, berarti ini kalimat menanyakan pendapat apa sih menurut kamu itu tentang rokok, pendapat tentang rokok itu seperti apa. I don't agree with you. There's nothing good about smoking. It is dangerous for your health. Nah, dari kalimat ini, aku gak setuju sama kamu. Gak ada baiknya merokok. Merokok itu berbahaya. Sini masuknya disagreeing with an opinion. Maksudnya, tidak setuju dengan pendapat yang diberikan. Tadi Rian bilang, well, in my view, smoking is good. Menurut pendapatku, merokok itu bagus. Ternyata Vidi nggak setuju. Menurut Vidi, merokok itu can dangerous our health. Dapat merusak atau dapat berbahaya bagi kesehatan kita.